Here's Dave's Don't Act Like You Never. And I want your honest response afterwards. Dave's Don't Act Like You Never, which Crisco and I have never done, and intern John had never done, is...
I've never done that. That is disgusting. Sorry.
Don't act like you never. Don't act,
really bad.
Goldie, don't act like you never.
That is weird. Was it on purpose?
I don't have to tell you the details.
Oh, God.
Are you wiping with your tail? You're wiping your mouth out. Oh, my God. Are you okay?
Goldie, don't act like you never.
I hope they have good therapists at the U.
I thought for sure I would have done it, to be honest with you, but I haven't.
Don't act like you never. It's okay. It's okay.
I honestly have not. I'm sorry.
Steve-O, don't act like you never.
I've never, Dave.
Crisco,
I've never done
don't
it.
act like you never.
Goldie?
Don't act like you never, Goldie. Come on!